So this job was a really good example of some of the common issues on venting a dual water heater setup. You can see that both of these water heaters are common vented into one single 4-inch single wall 30 gauge vent connector, and they also have 3-inch going to each water heater. So whenever you're common vented, meaning there's another appliance and the connector rises less than 3 foot, each water heater should have a 4-inch vent connector going to the water heater itself. And then that first Y that connects both of them should be at least 5-inch. And then anytime you have a Y, it technically should be a double wall fitting and not single wall. The other issue is the material itself. They had used 30 gauge metal, which is not approved for fuel gas. So we replaced everything with 26 gauge and double wall fittings.